That's a very big question. It depends on what category of visa you're applying for. For instance, if you're applying through a partner visa, from the time that you apply, you need to hold that visa for 2 years. 2 years before you are then eligible for permanent visa. So from the time you lodge the application up until the time that you get the permanent visa approved, maybe 2.5 years. That is for a partner visa. If you are applying under general skill migration, it may be from the time you apply up to the time that they grant you that visa, it may be 9 months. If you are applying under employer nomination scheme, direct entry stream, it may mean 6 months. If you are applying through business skills visa, it means that it will take you about 3 years to 4 years to get permanent residence visa. So it is not like you can just apply straight away and within 2 months or 3 months you get permanent visa. Mainly you have to go through a provisional visa first or temporary visa first before you go to permanent visa. I would say anybody who is wanting to come to Australia, depending on the category under which they are coming, should look at it as a short to medium term plan, not an immediate thing that you say, okay, I want to get permanent visa, I just get it. Generally, it will take between 2 to 3 years to get permanent residency in Australia, and people will have had to get some form of temporary visa initially before they then articulate to permanent visa. So processing time can take between 6 months to 9 months, or it can take between 10 months to 12 months. So it depends. It's a question of what visa category we are talking about. It's a question of whether it's been processed overseas. It's a question of how busy the Department of Immigration is. It's a question of have you given the immigration all the paperwork they want. It's a question of, are there other complex matters that the department needs to look at before they can grant your visa? So it's like a year minimum before you can get most permanent visas. But if you are a skilled migrant, it may only take you 6 months. If you are a partner applying for permanent visa, it may only take you 2 years or 3 years. If you are a business person, it may only take you 3 years. So everybody is different and every visa category is different. But it's not just at the snap of a finger. It's a process.